Good morning. I'm going to finish my pre-workout carbs here, pre-training carbs, and head into the gym. But I wanted to answer this question publicly. I answered this question privately in my coaching community group, which, by the way, I have a Facebook group for clients, but I do not coach through Facebook. I don't understand coaches who only coach through Facebook. Coaching is done through email, through text. So there's this one-on-one with clients. The community group is just for accountability, for support, if people want it. You don't have to, if you work with me as a client, you don't need to join Facebook if you don't want to. Anyway, we have a community Facebook group, and so a client asked this in the group after I shared all my stories this weekend about me going through maintenance and how I was a little surprised at how little muscle I built during that time period. And I thought I would answer this right here. I thought it was really good to answer. So I definitely built muscle in maintenance. And I'm going to show you a photo of myself that was taken at the end of my first year in fat loss, where that was my primary goal, versus where I'm at today. The thing about these photos is that I am the same weight on the scale in both photos. But as you're going to see, my body looks very different. Why would that be? That is because even though I'm the same weight in both of these photos, the composition of how that weight is made up is very, very different. Today, I have way more muscle on my body and less fat, which gives me a toned look, versus the first photo where I had much less muscle, I had less muscle and much more fat. So as you can see, I definitely put on muscle in a year and a half of maintenance. That was not a waste of time in any way. I would not have the body that I have today without getting out of fat loss, raising my calories up, eating at my higher range of maintenance, starting to learn how to lift with intensity, and honestly, lift with intensity, lifting weights progressively, getting stronger over time. I definitely put on muscle. The thing is that muscle builds so slowly, okay? You can lose fat relatively quickly, but muscle is a very slow process. And so it just is what it is, okay? And I did not realize that at the time period. So I think it was more of a expectation realignment I had to go through of realizing, wow, building muscle is going to be a years-long process, and it builds very slowly, but I'm so happy with what I did build. Not only did I build muscle, but I definitely went through some body recomposition during that time period where I was replacing fat, because I was definitely like more skinny fat, I guess you would call it, in that first photo. I didn't have any tone to my body. Again, the exact same weight that I am today. I just didn't have enough muscle to be revealed after fat loss. My weight was composed more of fat than it was of muscle. And that's many times what people find when they go through a first fat loss phase. Let's say they get down to some goal weight, is they're like, wow, I'm just not toned looking. Well, that is an issue with muscle. You don't have enough muscle in your body. And that is why this is if you have body composition goals, then we're looking at multiple phases of fat loss, focusing on building muscle, eating more calories, reducing your calories and fat loss, and years of lifting weights. I look like I have a goatee. Sorry, this sun is so intense. Bad parking spot. Do better next time, Kristen. The thing is that I definitely built muscle in maintenance. Now, building muscle in maintenance is just a much longer process, and you have to be very patient. You have to stick it out with the same boring habits for a long time without really seeing body composition changes. I did not see body composition changes for a year and a half that I sat in maintenance. I was just doing the things, doing the habits, get my steps in. I was tracking my nutrition. I was eating a lot of calories, not more calories than my body needed, but about the amount of calories that my body was burning. I was eating maintenance calories in a higher range of that. I was feeling good. I was living my life. I was strength training. I was getting really, really strong, but I didn't really see the muscle that I had gained until I got really lean last year through a fat loss phase. And it was when I got really lean last year, where I'm currently sitting at, that I realized that I personally would like to have more muscle in my body. And that honestly, I think it's realigning expectations. I am very happy with the muscle that I have built, okay, during this time period. I would just like to have a little bit more muscle, particularly in my legs, to be honest, and my back. Those are the areas that I would like to see some more muscle. Ladies, just a side note, by the way, like if you want some curves to your body, it doesn't come from just losing fat, okay, and getting smaller and smaller. You actually have to build that. And if you want more of like, say, an hourglass shape, so to speak, building your back, getting it bigger, and building your bottom lower area portions, your glutes and everything, will give you some curves, those nice curves. Just a little side caveat there. So all that to say, yes, I built muscle during the time period of maintenance. Maintenance, if you go into maintenance, okay, eating maintenance calories, you are giving your body the stimulus to build muscle, meaning you have to train with intensity. You're not just going to go in, lift like small little 3-pound weights and expect to build muscle. You don't build muscle just by carrying your groceries, okay? You actually have to be training with intensity, like progressively getting stronger, pushing yourself to close to failure when you are lifting. There is some strategy into lifting that you need to be doing the same basic boring moves for a long time. That's why like people are like, I'm bored with the workout program. Good. I hope you are, because we should find enjoyment, okay, in it. Like you really should be doing the same basic boring stuff in order to build muscle. So I definitely built muscle, but again, like you have to have an expectation that if you're in maintenance, muscle is going to build very, very slowly. That is why I'm going to do a build phase this year. I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, I'm ready to kind of like fast track this, and I'm going to put myself into a little bit of a calorie surplus. Just eating a calorie surplus and not lifting with an intensity to stimulate muscle growth is just going to make you gain fat, okay? Eating more calories is not some magical thing. You have to have the right stimulus of lifting. And I'm at the point in my training where I'm like, I feel good with where I'm at as far as lifting. I feel like I am lifting to the point where I am definitely lifting with intensity. And so now I want to kind of like maybe hopefully fast track putting on some muscle by putting myself in a calorie surplus. So maintenance, on the other hand, is where you're eating about the amount of calories that your body's burning, but you're eting way more calories than you were in fat loss. Because obviously, if you want fat loss, you have to eat less calories than your body burns. So that said, in maintenance, you're just expecting a little bit slower. You have to stay there a long time to see muscle growth. In a build, it's a little bit more of a fast track.